The next question. So here the next question is that consider the following statements in this particular context. Now when we look at this particular statement, okay, here what can we understand? Jawaharlal Nehru envisioned a secular, democratic and modern India inspiring youth and intellectuals. Then Nehru consistently rejected Gandhian influence and persuaded a purely technocratic model of governance. So which one do you think is correct? Jawaharlal Nehru envisioned a secular, democratic and modern India inspiring youth and intellectuals. Now, if you have read polity, you know on the preamble. So the preamble, it was based on objective resolution. Okay. And this was presented by Jawaharlal Nehru. Look at the second one. Nehru consistently rejected Gandhian influence. Did he reject Gandhian influence? Obviously not. Okay. So that is why this becomes incorrect. He envisioned secular, democratic and modern India inspiring youth. So this is a positive statement. So when it is a positive statement, what we can do is we can correct it. This is the correct aspect here. All right. Then, so the second one is incorrect. The first one is correct. So when we talk, both 1 and 2 are correct? No. Both 1 and 2 are correct? No. Statement 1 is not correct. Statement 2 is correct? No. Statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is correct. So here statement 1 is going to be correct. Okay. So answer is C.